Kamusta? This is your Guru, Khair. For today, let's talk about gusto. G-U-S-T-O. Gusto. It means want. Something you want. Like for example, you want a pencil. Gusto means wanted pencil. I'm just explaining that gusto means want. Gusto doesn't mean you want a pencil, okay? Gusto just means want. Something you want. Or to explain it simpler, something you'd like. Gusto is want. Something you'd want. Gusto. Yeah, so gusto is want. To be able to say it, I'm sure you all know August. It's a date. August. It's a date in the calendar, right? Just get the ghost from August. Then add to gusto. Yes. Can you say it now? Gusto. Simple, right? Or you cannot say that to. Do you know Geto from Jujutsu Kaisen? Geto. Just get the to. It's an anime character name. Geto. Then add gusto. You can say it now, right? Congratulations. Now, let me explain gusto again. It can be used for confessions or to describe something you'd want. So keep it in mind, this word, gusto. Yes, this is important, gusto. Want. So yeah, that's all for today. Good morning, good eve, good night. Bye bye. Peace.